Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk-around, startup, and drive video for you on a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Yes, this is a real Z28, 350 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning in this car. This car was purchased from the original owner. The gentleman that had the car, we got it from, purchased it from the original owner, so it's a two-owner car. Numbers matching 350, automatic transmission, like I said, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes in the front, factory air. Beautiful hugger orange car, black stripes, black interior. It's got the correct Z28 rally wheels on it. BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letter tires. Car runs phenomenal. Very nice, clean and solid underneath. Z28 is right on the trim tag, so it is a real Z. And I don't think they come any sharper. Just an absolute beautiful car. Interior is very, very nice. The seats, the carpet, dash pad, visors, headliner, sail panels, package tray. Very, very nice shape. All the seat belts are in it. Inside the trunk's very nice. Got a couple little spots here where it probably had a mat or something in it. Then those would clean right off there, but spackle painted trunk. Very nice jams. It's like new trunk seals. This car has been restored since 2003, so it's been restored for 20 some years and it still looks beautiful. I looked all the way down here on the bottom of the car, the bottom of the doors, fenders, rockers, in front and behind the rear wheels. I don't see any bubbling or any blistering of any type. So I mean, that tells you a lot right there. You can tell the car's, had a good restoration and it's been a good while ago. I like to see cars like this that have been restored for quite a while, and that way you know what you're getting. You get a car that's just been restored 6 months or a year ago, and you don't know what's gonna happen. You might get it and the paint might start all bubbling up and popping everywhere. You don't know what kind of body work's been done prior. So this car here, at least it's not bubbling up or rusting up. Wipers work. Dash lights work. Horn works. Radio works. Cigarette lighter. Open the hood and show you underneath there. I'll turn the signals on here. It has been converted to 134, so I don't think that's a big deal to charge that back up. New hood insulator. Just a really nice looking car. Take her out for a spin. I do have undercarriage pictures. I'll post them on my website as well, KinionAuto.com. Let's take her out for a spin. because I knew the back worked. I had it on earlier, but the bulb wasn't lighting up in the dash or the front one, so I wanted to check. That won't be a big deal. A couple minor little things on this car. She's ready to roll. Beautiful car. Selling trade, classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this beautiful 73 Z28 Camaro. It's in the best color, Hugger Orange. Glass is all real nice in this car. Chrome bumpers are very nice on this car. Sounds great. Just a very, very nice ride. It won't be a lot round long. $59.9 is the price. Cars like this just don't last. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon.